we have a very interesting table called Management Training. Now, Management Training doesn't relate to any other table in the JProCode database. Let's look at what's in Management Training. This is a list of training classes for management, embracing diversity, interviewing, and difficult negotiations. This list of classes is a required list of classes for any employee who wants to be considered for management with our company. Well, what employees could be considered for management? Let's do a select star from employee, and let's run this. Now, obviously, not everyone at JProCode can be a manager. Let's say that Alex and Barry have approached us about becoming part of our management team. Well, how many classes would they have to take? They'd each have to take 3 of them. Let's just look at those 2 employees. Run both queries at once. Now, by putting these 2 result sets together, you'll notice there's no class ID in the employee table, and there's no employee ID in the management training table. They don't relate. But the reason we're pulling these tables together is because one is a requirement table for the other. In other words, if Alex wants to be considered for management, he must take these 3 classes. If Barry wants to be considered for management, he must take these 3 classes. So, if you have 2 employees that each want to take 3 classes, you'll have to pay for 6 classes. So our goal is what you see here. Every combination of the employees and the classes that they should take. In this case, Alex Adams is listed 3 times, once for each class he needs to take to be eligible for management. Barry Brown is listed 3 times, once for each class he must take to achieve management. Now, this list has nothing to do with what they've done. This list just shows the combinations from the 2 different tables. The way to achieve this result is with a cross-join. The code for cross-join is seen here. Let's start off listing all of the employees that want to be considered for management, then putting the words cross-join and then the second table name. Execute and you get every combination. Notice that there is no on clause. There is no relationship between these 2 tables. Cross-join is the only type of join that does not require an on clause to get a query result. This result set of 2 records from one table and 3 from another table gives you the full combination. This result is known as a Cartesian result or a Cartesian product. Lab 4.2, Skill Check 1. You have 12 employees and 4 locations. Each employee has 1 location, but they could visit all of them. Write a query that will show the combination of every employee and every location. Select only the first name, last name, city, and state fields. The final result set should have 48 records. Alias the employee table as E, and the location table as L. When you're done, your screen should resemble the figure you see here.